There are so many ways you can use a bullet journal, but I'll show you just one way that you can use right now to help you organize your school and life. I usually start by writing the date and the top 5 things I need to get done that day. This might be homework or attending a Zoom class or meeting with an academic coach. I then write anything upcoming that I need to make sure that I'm thinking about. I also write the hours of the day over on the right. Then I can assign everything I have to do that day to each hour. I can check off things on my list as I get them done, which makes me feel super productive.
It's called Forest, which is a timer you can use to study and work on assignments. You can even use it to time your breaks between study sessions. How it works is you set your timer for however long you want to study and hit the plant button to start. As time goes on, your tree slowly grows, and finally, when your study session ends, you've planted a fully grown tree. But if you decide to give up during a study session, your tree will die, and we don't want that to happen.
Has really been just trying to stick to a similar schedule every day, so waking up at the same time and then kind of going through my classes and my schoolwork as I would if I were physically going to those classes.
If you don't use the Notes app, but basically I have all these folders and I have fall semester 2019, and then I keep each set of notes for each class in these separate folders. If I'm looking for a specific lecture note, etc., I know exactly where it would be at.
Pick one thing, set a timer for 25 minutes, work on that task as hard as you can for 25 minutes, and if you get distracted at any point during that time, write that distraction down on a separate sheet of paper and then try to get back to what you're working on. Once that 25 minutes is up, you can take a break for 5 minutes, and then if you need to do more, just repeat the cycle.
To access this page, you click the dashboard button and then these 3 dots right here and click the list view, and this page will show you all of the assignments that you have due today. So as you can tell, I have an anthropology assignment and I have not completed it because there's no check mark by it. But if you look at this, I have completed my Spanish assignments as there are 2 check marks by it.